Hey there! Let me tell you about the game-changing ways to show your data that everyone's talking about this year. First up is the good old bar chart, but trust me, there's nothing boring about it. You know what's wild? Our brains pick up information from these charts almost twice as fast as looking at plain numbers. Most researchers I know swear by them because they're just so darn clear. One quick look and you get the whole picture. Next, we got line graphs, and honestly, they're like storytellers. Picture tracking how something changes over time, maybe patient recovery rates or drug effectiveness. The cool thing is when you show your findings this way, people actually remember them better. I had a colleague who switched to line graphs in her presentations, and suddenly everyone was following along. Then there's scatter plots, my personal favorite. You know those moments when you're looking at your data and thinking there must be a connection somewhere? That's where scatter plots shine. Last year, some researchers I know found amazing patterns they never expected just by plotting their data this way. It's like connecting dots to reveal a hidden picture. Heat maps are the new rock stars of data visualization. They turn complicated information into these intuitive color patterns that just make sense. A friend in genomics told me they cut their analysis time almost in half using heat maps. How amazing is that? Last but definitely not least, box plots. They might look simple, but they're incredibly powerful. They show you everything from your typical values to those weird outliers that might actually be super important. Most clinical trials use them now because they're just so good at telling the whole story. Here's a little secret I've learned. It's not about using the fanciest chart. It's about picking the right one for your story. I've seen researchers get way more citations just by making their data easier to understand with these tools. Bottom line, these aren't just ways to make your work look good. They help people really get what you're trying to say. Whether you're sharing your findings with your team or publishing your next big paper, these 5 ways of showing data will make your work stand out. Keep making those insights shine and watch how much more impact your work has. Thanks for hanging out. Now go make some awesome visualizations.